Experiencing frequent call drops on your iPhone? Watch this video for some solutions to tackle this issue. To address the issue of dropped calls on your iPhone, start with some quick troubleshooting steps. Enable and disable airplane mode by swiping down the control center from the top right corner. Disable it after a few seconds. If calls continue to drop, consider resetting the network settings. Open the Settings app, go to General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your device password and confirm. Alternatively, try disabling the call forwarding feature by going to Settings, scrolling down and tapping on Phone. Toggle off call forwarding. If none of these solutions work, remove the SIM card from your iPhone. While doing so, use a soft, dry cloth to carefully wipe the SIM card before reinserting it. Hopefully, implementing these fixes will put an end to drop calls on your iPhone. For solutions to all your tech queries, subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of these specially curated videos just for you.